Welcome. Today we're reviewing key grammar and vocabulary from Genki II Lesson 16. This lesson focuses on everyday problems like oversleeping, losing things, and asking for help. In this lesson, we'll explore essential vocabulary, practical grammar points, and everyday situations you're likely to encounter. Think of this as your friendly guide to navigating lost and found moments in Japanese. Our first vocabulary word is a verb that means to oversleep. Here's an example in Japanese.
今朝、寝坊しました。
This means, I overslept this morning. Next, we have two important words, one meaning homework and another meaning file or folder. Here is an example sentence.
宿題をファイルに入れました。
This means, I put my homework in a file. The story also takes place at a train station where students talk with a station staff member. Listen to this example.
駅員さんに聞いてみます。
This means, I'll try asking the station staff. Now we introduce the potential form which expresses ability, like can do something. Here are two examples.
来る、来られる。
These mean to come and can come.
日本語が話せます。
This means, I can speak Japanese. Next is a grammar pattern used to give polite suggestions. Here is an example.
もっと早く起きたらどうですか？
This means, how about waking up earlier? The next grammar pattern expresses regret or an accidental action. Listen to this example.
ファイルをなくしてしまいました。
This means, I accidentally lost my file. We also learn a pattern used to express hope or a wish. Here is an example.
見つかるといいんですが。
This means, I hope it gets found. Another useful expression softens what you say and often leads into a request. Listen to this example.
ファイルをなくしたんですが。
This means I lost my file and... Next, we look at a grammar pattern that connects an action to a specific moment in time, like saying when something happened. Here is an example.
電車を降りるとき、忘れました。
This means, I forgot it when I got off the train. We also learn a pattern that expresses trying something new. Listen to this example.
電話して聞いてみます。
This means, I'll try calling to ask. The next grammar pattern is used when someone does something helpful for you. Here is an example.
駅員さんが探してくれました。
This means, the station staff looked for it for me. We also have a pattern that expresses receiving someone's help. Listen to this example.
友達に手伝ってもらいました。
This means, I got help from a friend. Another important pattern is used for polite apologies. Here is an example.
遅くなってすみませんでした。
This means, I'm sorry I was late. Finally, we look at a pattern that can express a continuing or resulting state. Listen to this example.
よくできていますね。
This means it's well done. Now, let's briefly review your key vocabulary words. Try saying each one out loud as you see it on the screen, and remember its meaning. Next, we move into short practice activities to reinforce what you learned. You can pause the video if you want extra time to think about each example. Here is a short dialogue using several of today's grammar points. As you listen, try to notice when the speakers express regret, hope, or ask for help politely.
すみません、ファイルをなくしてしまったんですが、一緒に探してくれませんか？
いいですよ。どこで落としたと思いますか？
電車を降りるとき、落としたかもしれません。見つかるといいんですが。
駅員さんに聞いてみたらどうですか？
そうします。手伝ってくれてありがとうございます。
Great job today. You reviewed the essential grammar and vocabulary from Lesson 16. Keep practicing a little every day.
頑張ってください。